supremacy. I am back with another video for y'all. Welcome to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. Today we have a 1025 box from Supremacy. Literally just got dropped off not too long ago. This one, like I said, was 1025 shipped. It was really supposed to be like 1050, but they've been giving us like this little $25 discount code. So I've been using it on all my boxes. So it came with the 1025. Kind of excited to see what's in it. If you're new here, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery boxes. I still get a bunch of people ask me that every now and then. I don't know what's in them. Complete mystery, just complete mystery. I don't know the sizes, I don't know the condition, I don't know none of that. This is like opening up a Christmas gift every week. 1025, man, we're just gonna bust this one wide open. This one is taped up a little different. Normally it's like 3 pieces of tape going straight across the box. Your boy got a new knife. This joint's sharp too. Super sharp. Jeez. New knife on deck. Right. See what we got. We got a 350 box, size 10.5 on the 350s. Okay. We got the bread 350s. Used. Take out both of them since they used. Good size, good condition, 10.5. Show y'all the bottom. I remember these things used to sell for a crazy amount of bread. Still got the Yeezy name on the inside and all of that. Bottoms, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Size 10.5. Every time I get these, I know Yeezys is dead, blah, 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 but every time I get something like this, they fly. Put them on the IG for sale page and they will probably be gone. We got a women's Air Jordan 14. I never seen this box. This is a size 6.5. We got some women's size 6.5 14s. I do not know what the nickname of these are. I've seen them before. Got a little dirt on them. Probably a kid shoe. These things are loud. Jordan 14. I like the cut on these 14s. I don't really like the highs. I like the mid cut on them, or not really the lows. Actually, 14s is like the only shoe I prefer mids in. Not Air Force One mids, not Jordan 1 mids, but 14 mids are not bad to me. Still got the tape on the Jordan logo, but from this suede, you can tell they definitely been used. Size 6.5. Never seen those before. Okay, we got a bunch of random little boxes. We got a Nike Dunk SB Low Pro size 8. Don't ask me what the nicknames of these are either. Come with the light brown and the dark brown laces. Check these out. I don't know what these are. SB market is wild. Something like this can be worth $2 or it can be worth $2,000. You just never know what you got with the SBs. But I doubt they worth $2,000. Well, let's pray that they are. That'd be dope. Size 8 on those. I think I know what these are. We got an Air Trainer 1 CJ Cactus Jack, size 10. Alright. I was kind of hoping that'd be the brown pair. They got the little cover on the top. I've never seen this pair. Cactus Jack. I want to say Travis Scott helped make this or create these. I'm not a big fan of. Check these out. Size 10. They got all kind of zippers. The colorway is not bad. I actually like the colorway, but I'm pretty sure these ain't going for much. Size 10 used. Box in good shape. Paper in good shape. Air Max 1 anniversary, size 8.5. These might be staying in my household, depending if my wife want them or not. Air Max 1 anniversary. Super clean shoe. I got a pair of these. These are the 2017 release. So not last year's release, but these are dope. Size 8.5. Just a nice, simple shoe. Easy to rock. Size 8.5 on those will come with both laces. I was about to say 2 pair of white, but these are slightly different than the ones that are in there. I'll ask her, but if she don't want them, they'll be on the for sale page. Size 8.5. We got a size 5. We got some little shoes in this box. We got some Dunk Low, size 5. All right. And these smell like they came from California, if you know what I mean. And I hope that no child was around that. These smelling like that good old Mary Jane. Size 5. Pink. I don't know why I'm showing y'all one shoe. Let me see both shoes too. Check these out. Probably a sale fast. Dunks move pretty quick. Even a size 5 will probably sell pretty quick. What else we got? Jordan 6, women's size 6. We got another small shoe. I had these before. They was like in a size 12.5 in women's. These are way cleaner than the ones I had before. Forgot the nickname of them. But Jordan 6 come with all kind of gold attachments. Check those out. I hope that light ain't blurring them out. Good shape though. These are in good shape. Size 6. I forgot the nickname of these. The last pair I had sold actually pretty quick, so I don't know if this is a highly sought after 6 or not. I mean, I don't see people rocking it or talking about it on TikTok or Instagram or nothing like that, so I doubt it. We got 3 pair left in this box. What do I want to go for? I'm gonna go for this one. We got from the box we know it's a foam runner. We got the triple black foam runners. The size of these are size 11. And foam runners. Had them, rocked them. Don't understand the hype behind them. The little hype that they do have. But man, I had a pair, I wore it for a little bit just to see if that comfort was what everybody was saying. They was all right, wasn't too bad. I ain't gonna complain about the comfort. But it's this little hump thing right here that I just can't get over that. I just can't get over that. I'll take the slides. Give me the slides, but y'all young boys can rock these joints. Y'all can have them. Foam runner size 11. And that's actually the size I need in the foam runner, but I will not be keeping these. And I bet you they sell within 24 hours of me posting them online. Again, these are size 11, triple black. I don't know if that's the official name, but that's what we calling them today. We got 2 pair left. I'm gonna get this other Yeezy out the way. This is a 10.5 too. I think I've had every 350 colorway that ever dropped. So nothing really surprises me. We got a blue tint, size 10.5. Probably from the same buyer or seller. Look at that, still got the Yeezy on the inside. These joints are gonna move. I know Yeezys ain't going for what they used to go for, but they still will move. 10.5, these 3 feet. Blue tint. Show y'all the bottom. Bottom's in fairly good shape too, not too bad. I'll take a Yeezy box. We got 3 Yeezys in here. This box was full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We got 10 pair in this box. 10 pair in one box. I held this box out last because I figured it was a 4 and it's a size 10. Too small for me by half the size. Oh, this sucks. These are clean. Ooh, these are real clean. I haven't seen these in a while. No, I'm lying. I just had a 9.5 come through. Either a 9 or a 9.5 came through in one of my other boxes. This condition is immaculate. Size 10. I wish these was 10.5. I'll probably add these back to the collection. Oreo 4s. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Great leather. Super easy to rock. Colorway is just super clean. Size 10. I think somebody hit me up about a pair of Oreos too. not too long ago, but the ones I had were too small, so I'm gonna see if he needs a 10. Man, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me on that for sale page. I haven't been doing nothing on the main page, on the main TGOTSOLE page, just chilling on that. Just really tapping into the TGOTSOLE for sale page and Facebook and eBay, and really just turned up this year with the mystery boxes. Wish I had time to shoot every single box, but I just don't. But luckily we had time to shoot this one today, so I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking with me, watching these videos, all of that. Appreciate everyone DMing me on the for sale page, trying to get kicks, just all of that cool stuff, man. Thank each and every one of y'all for watching the last video. If you want anything from this video, it should be up on the for sale page. It sucks because by the time I post this on YouTube, most of this stuff will have already been on the page, so it might be gone, maybe not. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully I can get this edited and up before everything sells out, so I don't put sold all throughout the video. But that's gonna conclude this video. I actually had only one box come in this week, so I don't know what happened with that. Normally I get 2-3 boxes minimum, but I don't know why I only had that one. I'm not sure what happened. But that's gonna conclude this video. I was supposed to be doing this one actually in my new unit, but I didn't feel like going up there today. Just kind of a chill, rainy day here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. That's it, man. I don't want to bore you guys to death. I'm out. Peace.